welcome back to the channel, friends, and this is my first ever series, my Amazon Fresh grocery haul.
Take it from the top, everybody.
Amazon Fresh grocery haul, and I have been shopping with Amazon groceries now for a hot minute. Believe it or not, I actually used to deliver Amazon grocery deliveries. Let's get into this haul because I'm going to be making some amazing dishes, and I actually forgot what I've ordered today. So this new series, ooh girl, what did I order? I ordered some things. Mr. Organic flavor paste, tomato and garlic. I bought some roasted red peppers in a jar. I could blend this up and then just add that to that and just have like a sauce with that. Organic tomato ketchup. I don't even like normal ketchup. I think I was just being bougie. Organic hot pepper sauce. Peppermint because I'm trying to make some ice cream. So organic honey. Organic Mr. Organic. I might as well be sponsored by Mr. Organic. Coconut oil. And organic glazed balsamic vinegar of Modena. This could be a whole complete meal with some feta cheese, and then I can add like some form of, so you've got your protein here, your fats, and you've got plenty of carbs in there, and then you can add a protein. It could be chicken breast, it could be plant-based, and you can add some chickpeas, etc. Always have a look at what you already have in your cupboards, especially if you're going to, this is a waste of packaging. They've just given me this one bag for organic celery. Is that it? Anyway, so that is for my fruit juices. Like I make a fresh batch of fresh green juice every day. No, every day, every week. Now we're getting into carbs. Organic mixed salad leaves. I've got my protein. Organic streaky bacon. I don't eat all of the time. If I do, I have it every now and then. These things are not very cold. They used to be really cold. You know, I've got some diced beef. Again, I don't know why I've bought meat, but I don't really eat red meat like that. This is for the ice cream. My green apples, some bananas, pineapple, some organic gem lettuce, more apples, food coloring gel for the ice cream. These are not gluten-free, but these are Lebanese style flatbreads. I've chicken satays in the freezer, or I've got some chicken breasts. Put on this, and there's even a suggestion on the packaging to see how you could make this. Oranges, again for some more fruit juicing. Oh, girl. Organic chickpeas, again, that could be used for the flatbreads. I'm not plant-based, but I do need to get in a lot more vegetables, legumes, and all them things. Some courgettes or zucchinis, my favorite chocolate for ice cream. Carbon neutral, plant-based, barista standard oat milk without the gunky stuff in it. The one I was using was the Outpro Barista Oat, but this has a lot of gums and emulsifiers that we don't know what's good for the body. It's got sunflower oil. Actually, these ingredients are not as bad. Potassium phosphates, I don't even know what that is. But anyway, basically, if you don't have these ingredients in your cupboard normally, should we be drinking them in our coffee and our teas and our cereals? So I'm not plant-based, but I am somebody who wants to definitely have more plants in the way that I eat on a day-to-day basis. And being a nutrition coach, you'd expect that, right? But I don't live up to people's expectations that they place on me. Here is fruit bowl currently. Videos that you're going to see in this series is what I make with these meals, and we're going to put this away in the fridge, but we need to clean the fridge before we put it in there. So that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to tune in to the series. I'll let you know. You'll see when it's coming out. But if you want more help like this, I will pin in the comments below. Grab the meal planning recipe kit every single month. Every month there will be new recipes that you can eat and you can enjoy. And also make sure that you know what to buy. So it comes with a meal plan, it comes with a shopping list, so you already know what you need to get. I know the struggle is real. So I want to actually help you not make the same mistakes that I did and then blame it on meal planning or meal prep, when actually we don't really know how to shop effectively. So this is what I teach you on this channel. Somebody who's real. When it comes to nutrition, I haven't got time to pretty up and pretend things taste good when they don't. Gotta keep it real, gotta keep it honest. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, I'm gonna tell you. Okay? All right, now, I done too much talking, but save this, put the notifications on, hit that bell, and hit that subscribe button so you know when this next series be ready to cook. I can't wait to see you, friends, in the next video.